Car's warm. A little bit of smoke out the tailpipe. Pre-mixing at about 1.5 ounces per gallon. And sun adapter running premix. It's up to temperature. Through the range, no problem. Let's do that again. Quick stab of the throttle, no problem. Now, let's try something else. Let's go slowly through the RPM range. Notice that 6,500? Hiccups at 6,500, and it starts smoking like a motherfucker, or like a smoky fucker.